Hey guys, and welcome to another quick unboxing. So today we are checking out the Smart bracelet. So this is the Goral S2 color screen, blood pressure, heart rate monitor, fitness tracker, Bluetooth smart wristband. So they do have it in black and in a tan color. Personally, I like the tan kind of khaki color. It just looks amazing, honestly. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So I'm going to thank Banggood for sending me this product to do an unboxing and review. So right now we're gonna do the unboxing and as well the review. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So first of all, let's unbox it. Very, very cool packaging. I like the packaging. Just look at this. So it shows fitness, heart rate, swimming. So I'm guessing it's water resistant, but we'll test that out, and notifications. And it says track your health tracker right there. So this is the watch right here itself. Very, very nice. I like how it feels. Actually, it doesn't feel cheap at all. Feels good. Phone retails for about $33. But because we're doing this review, guys, on my channel, I'll give you a discount. Well, Banggood will give you a discount. You can get it for around $25 or $27. So check that out. So this is how it's gonna look on the wrist. So let me put it on my wrist real quick. So this is how it's gonna look on your wrist. I like how it looks, guys. It's not too big and bulky, and definitely have a pretty big wrist, so it'll fit different sizes. So overall, look at that flex. It won't bother at all. So let's go ahead and see what we have in here. So I'm guessing we have the manual in here and the charger in here as well. So let's take a look at the manual first. I still don't even know how to turn this thing on, so we'll see, right? So user manual, it is nice and thick. Wow. So it'll show you some of the functions like tracking. Wow, look at all this information. Bracelet function, interface. I'm supposed to show your calories as well. There's a tracker as well, the app. So we'll get more into that. This is just a quick unboxing. The review will come soon. It is a little charging, basically, dock. So check that out. It's magnetized, as you can see. That's getting magnetized right there. So let's go ahead and plug it up. So to charge this, all you have to do, it's magnetized. So as you can see right here, the little pins. All you have to do is put your watch right there, and look at that, guys. It's charging up already. Very, very cool. As you can see, it will start charging up. And there you go. So as you can see, it's dead right now, but we will go ahead and charge it. Right now, it's just showing military time, so I'll let that charge for a little bit, and we'll get back to that. The smartwatch looks, as you can see, it's 9:13 here. At least that's what it says. So from there, you can see same thing, 9:14. So as you can see, this button right here, it changes the faces. So tap it once, tap it twice, does steps, kilometers, calories burned, I guess, training, your BPM or your heart rate monitor. It's pretty cool. Something else, your percentage of SPO. But yeah, I really don't use these other features, just the ones. You do get text messages, notifications. That's what I like about it the most. And then there's more. You can hold this down and it will take you to other options like stopwatch, find phones. Pretty cool. And then I'll show you what's connected to, and then you can power it off or reset it. So those are the key features on it, guys. Let's go ahead and see how it looks on the wrist. So there we go, guys. That's how it looks on the wrist. It looks pretty good. It's not tight or anything. It still has a lot. My wrist, I would say it's medium size. It's not too thin. It's not too big either. It's just perfect size. A large band will fit me perfectly fine, but as well as small. So as you can see, there's enough holes for you place your watch. If it's too tight right here, all you do is just untighten this, and go back down to a smaller one. So here we go. And there you go, just place it in there, guys. I do love how the leather how it feels. It's not genuine leather, but it is pretty close to it. It feels very nice. It doesn't swell up or anything like that. It is just pretty cool. What I do like about it is when you do look at it, it does turn on, so that's pretty cool. Some motion sensors right there. So you might be saying, how do I use this app or this watch? You need to have an app, and in the instructions it does come with it. It's called JU. So let me show you. So here's the app. As you can see, it's called JU. Very, very cool. So it does, once you sync it up, it does do your steps, distance, calories burned, blood pressure, sleep, pause, heart rate, siesta, which is basically sleep. You might be saying, how do I pair this? Well, right there on your settings, you just click settings. From there, you go to binding devices. You click on it, it'll say all devices. Make sure you have your Bluetooth turned on first. Jeez. So make sure your Bluetooth's on. And then from there, it'll search all devices. So you click the little search button, and there it is. And there you go, guys. So it is connected to it. As you can see, it does give you the battery life of it, status, what date it is, how much you walk, with the target, your sleep. You do, I want to sleep for 8.72 hours, and then of course it will update all this information. So it's very, very cool, guys. Here's other things in the settings. You can do download data from server, watch authentication, target steps, some reminders, siesta reminder, let's focus, device alarm, remote take picture, auto detect heart rate. So if you want that to always detect, you just turn that on. Unit settings, device settings, power saving settings, software version, firmware, and you can even sign out. You can sign in and make your own profile. It's pretty cool. That way, when you log into another device, you can just have all your statistics already pre-recorded. So that is pretty awesome with it, guys. Honestly, I like this. It says it's good for fitness. Like I said, I've been going to the gym a lot now, and it is pretty good. It does a good calorie counter, step counter, as well as it's supposed to. You're supposed to be able to, like, I guess, swim with it. I wouldn't really test all that out. You can wash your hands with it, and it will be fine, so it won't damage it at all. The most thing that I like about it is the notifications. They come in really good. So when someone sends you a notification, you will be able to see that perfectly fine, guys. There's nothing wrong with it. I like it a lot. So let me see if I can get an example. So let me cover up that number so you guys don't see it. But as you can see, it will say hi. If it focuses. And then there you go. So I got a call from my wife. Here's the other notification, and you can see it says beautiful girl. I know it's really small, but yeah, it does give you calling and text and all that stuff. So it's pretty cool, guys. You can't talk with it or hear any kind of music from it, but at least you do get notifications, and that's what it says. The watch right now you can get from Banggood, so they're pretty cool. You can get it at 27% off. So instead of $34, you can get it at $24.99. Very cool. It is rated pretty high on their website as well. So it is a flash sale, guys. So go ahead and get you one. I will have that in the link below. So check out the description below, guys. I honestly, if you don't want to spend too much money on a smartwatch and you actually want one that functions and works, I would definitely tell you to check out the link below, banggood.com. Thank you for sending me this. I really enjoyed it. The charge on it lasts, oh my god, lasts me about 2-3 days, guys, using it. If you heavily use it or get a lot of notifications, it will last you about 2 days. But overall, charging it, it's amazing. It charges really quick, and it will last you all day. So thank you for watching, guys. For LYNWO sign off. Please comment, rate, subscribe.